The National Electrical Code NEC has stipulated a dedicated 20-amp circuit for laundry areas starting with the 1968 edition. This requirement ensures that laundry appliances, which often have high power demands, can operate safely without overloading the circuit and potentially causing a fire hazard. It's important to understand that electrical codes evolve over time to incorporate new safety measures and technological advancements. Therefore, older homes, particularly those built before 1968, might not have wiring systems that meet current NEC standards. If you're dealing with an older home, it's not uncommon to find electrical circuits that are undersized or that serve multiple areas of the house, contrary to modern code requirements. Discovering that a laundry area is on a shared 15-amp circuit, especially one that also serves other appliances and lighting, indicates a significant deviation from current electrical safety standards. The 1968 NEC and subsequent editions aim to address these potential safety issues by requiring dedicated circuits for specific high-demand appliances and areas. When upgrading an electrical service in an older home, it's crucial to carefully inspect the existing wiring to identify any non-compliant or potentially hazardous conditions. This inspection should include checking the amperage of the circuits, the size and type of wiring used, and the overall condition of the electrical system. If you find circuits that don't meet current NEC standards, it's recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best course of action for bringing the wiring up to code. Addressing these issues may involve running new circuits, replacing outdated wiring, or installing additional electrical panels to accommodate the increased demand of modern appliances. In situations where wiring is inaccessible, such as when it's buried in a concrete slab, upgrading the electrical system can be challenging. However, there are often alternative solutions that can be implemented to improve safety and ensure compliance with the NEC. Firstly, consider if it's possible to reroute the existing wiring through accessible pathways such as attics, crawl spaces, or along exterior walls. Secondly, explore the option of using wire management techniques to consolidate and protect the existing wiring. Thirdly, assess the feasibility of adding a subpole closer to the laundry area to provide a dedicated 20-amp circuit without having to run a new wire all the way back to the main electrical panel. It's also important to ensure that all electrical work is performed by a licensed electrician who is familiar with the NEC and local electrical codes. They can properly evaluate the situation and recommend the most appropriate solutions for your specific needs. Keep in mind that electrical work can be dangerous, and it's always best to leave it to the professionals. Moreover, when dealing with older wiring, it's crucial to be aware of potential hazards such as asbestos insulation or knob and tube wiring. These materials may require special handling and disposal procedures to ensure safety. If you suspect that your home has these materials, consult with an environmental professional or a qualified electrician who is experienced in dealing with them. Finally, remember that the NEC is updated regularly to reflect the latest safety standards and technological advancements. It's important to stay informed about these changes and to ensure that your electrical system is up to code. This can help prevent electrical fires, protect your family from electrical hazards, and ensure the safe and reliable operation of your electrical appliances and equipment.